In a previous video, we made the Pinbox 3000 cardboard pinball machine and built the Glokian Warrior expansion pack, but we haven't yet made our custom board yet. So we've got our blank board, and we've got to decide what we want to build on it. And we've been talking, and we think the kids want to do an Among Us board with some Among Us guys on there. So we think we're going to use this guy on the board, and we're going to build maybe something going between the legs and a ramp or something like that. So we're going to get started, and we're going to build something and come up with something cool, but we'll see where it goes. We have taken off the Glokian Warrior board, and we have been building our own. Of course, we wanted to do an Among Us board, so we have this one that if you roll it up in one of these side compartments, it'll come out one of these two holes. But we might have gotten a little too ambitious because I think it might be too high. But Gideon, you're going to test play it and see if we can get it to go up the ramp.
Oh, that was close. Oh, that was close.
Close, but no cigar. So I think we're going to modify it and maybe not be quite so high.
And take out stands.
Yeah, we're going to play with it and come back for round 2. Okay, it's been a while, but we finally got a second version of the pinball, of the Among Us pinball machine. So we made him kind of sideways, and we've got him so that he can get it all the way up here. He will always come back out, always, most of the time. There we go. And then if he goes back behind, he'll go around to the side. So we're going to work on that. We've got a little thing up top here, and then we got a little, oh, grab the little spin thing. Sorry. A little dead body with the little bone coming out the end. Anyway, it'll be good. So we're going to put it all together, and we'll get him complete. But getting stuff painted. We finally got it done. Here's our Among Us pinball machine. So it's here's your little guy that comes around here. There's a little Among Us. There's the emergency table. This guy got killed, and we got a little Among Us guy back here who's got a knife. So he obviously did the murder. And then you've got a little ramp here. The idea is if you can get it up in there, good. It comes out. Oh, and you got an emergency. You got a ball on the emergency table that you can knock out as well.
Or
so that's cool. Anyway, so it's kind of cool. One thing that kind of stinks is we had the Glokian Warrior module, and we put the stickers on in the hood. There's only one hood, so even though you can change out the boards, you can't change out the hood. So we've got this Glokian Warrior hood, and which is not really fit with our branding. But
we did make a new top right here. It looks like an Among Us guy. I think that was a pretty awesome thing that we built.
Yeah, so it's fun. You can get those guys. It's hard to get up in that hole yet. I have yet to get it all the way up in that hole, but up into here. It's got to be a great shot. But lots of fun making this, and we enjoyed it. So
like and subscribe.